So I'm working on ye old beta, and they put the horn, they have a bracket, right? Well, this thing here. So this bracket is, it's like this, in here like that, and then the horn mounts to it. And I mean, this thing's really not gonna see any street use, so I'm gonna try to maybe tuck the horn in up here somewhere. There's some room. I'm thinking maybe I can attach it to here and then get the headlight assembly back on. But anyways, when I was working on this thing, I noticed that the trail tech, or whoever makes this speedometer computer deal, it felt loose to me, and sure enough, the I don't know how well you can see that. It looks like the little standoffs, these brass standoffs, pulled out of the housing, both of them. I mean, this bike, you can see how beautifully shiny it is. I mean, I think it's got barely 2 hours on it, so just the camera, this computer's messed up. So I called Beta, and they're gonna warranty it or something. I mean, I don't know, I guess I can put some adhesive or something. I'd rather not have to do that. I feel like that's a pretty big flaw. It's too bad that they make this case out of plastic. They should make it out of aluminum. I feel like it'd be better, but so that's so far the only issue I have with the bike. Everything else seems to be decent. I did add an Enduro Engineering case saver, or I guess master cylinder saver, since clutch slave cylinder guard. Nice piece. It bolts in real nice, and then it's got like an extra little chain guide there. Nice beefy thick aluminum, nice fasteners, so happy with that.